Hello, welcome to Shelvington. My name's Andy and this is my model railway in a garage. In today's follow-on episode, I just want to briefly go over one of my purchases from the other week. I already did a video of this. I got the Scotsman Coronation class loco, and what was the other one? Sir Nigel Gresley. I've already done a couple of videos for the other two locos, and this is the Flying Scotsman. So here it is. It's a beautiful model, same as the other two. It's a real credit to the previous owner. They've been so well looked after. It's incredible. It really is. There's no dust. There's just no marks. There's nothing. So this guy really knew what he was doing when he was looking after these locos. Let's quickly move along this one. The detail on this is really good. Now it is a special edition. It says return to steam. I'm not quite sure exactly what makes it special, but the detail on this one's really good. It's a beautiful looking loco, as you can see. So what we'll do this morning is we'll get it hooked up to a rake of my teak coaches and we'll get it going around the track. Okay. There it is. It looks absolutely splendid just sitting there, but let's launch it off and we'll see how it goes around the layout. There we go, folks. It's Flying Scotsman. Absolutely stunning loco. Yeah, it's like I said, the detail on it is incredible. The finish is beautiful. Got little smoke deflectors. I've never seen those on the Scotsman before. And just add something to it. It's absolutely beautiful model. It's just gone around the layout totally flawlessly. I'm so pleased. So thank you to Catherine, the lady that let me buy it. I'm really grateful, and yeah, as I said before in the other two videos, please rest assured this will get looked after, it'll get cherished, it'll get used, and yeah, it's going to have a good life here. So Catherine, thank you. So that's the last sort of little video of these three. If you've not seen the other videos, go and check them out. They yeah, pretty much the same as this. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. I'm nearly at 1,000 now. Possibly when this video goes out, I may well have hit 1,000, but we'll see. I'm not going to celebrate just yet. But thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to all the people that have watched and liked my videos over this last few months. Please keep on doing so. Look after yourself, stay safe. Thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye.